guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do your eyebrows and your eyelashes. This is my first video. Excuse anything bad happening, but we're going to start with the duo eyelash glue, and I'm going to be using Salon Perfect 614 lashes. And as you can tell, I cut them in 3 parts, and I'm going to start applying the glue to the lash. We're going to start from the outer corner into the inner corner. When you are applying your fake eyelashes, make sure it's right under your real eyelashes. You don't want it to go way too low on your waterline because it will poke your eye and it will be very uncomfortable. Honestly, it took me like 5 times. It is gonna take some time, so make sure you guys are patient.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Now that I am done with the eyelashes, I'm going to show you how to do your eyebrows. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. eyeliner brush for concealing, Salon Perfect brushes for my eyebrows. I'm going to use the e.l.f. clear gel for your eyelashes and your eyebrows. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer to conceal under my eyebrows, and I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Dip Brow product for my brows. So right now I'm just combing through my eyebrows and I'm going to get some product on the brush. Not too much, but not too little. I'm lightly going to apply the product in the front of my eyebrow, but not exactly in the front, if that makes sense. And you're going to work your way to your arch of your eyebrow and onto the end of your eyebrow. You're going to be creating basically your base. So you're going to be creating a line at the bottom of the eyebrow. And then you're going to work your way in forward of the brow. But you're going to have to do it very lightly and carefully. And then you're going to start working where the tail is at. You're going to start making your arch on how you want your brow to be shaped. And then I start applying the e.l.f. clear gel. And then to concealing. You have to be very careful and focused when concealing, because I swear if you touch your eyebrow with this, you are literally done. But you're going to start from the beginning and you're going to start working your way out. Make sure it's nicely cleaned. After concealing your bottom brow, you're going to be concealing the top. And you're going to be using a foundation for this one. I realized that this was not my shade, but I still did it anyway, because why not? But you're going to start concealing from the front of the eyebrow, working your way out to the tail. Once you're done with that, you have to start blending everything out because you don't want it to look rough or just stay in one place. I'm sorry I'm being so quiet. I'm a very awkward person. This is so bad. I'm only gonna get like 1 view, but it's okay. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. You know, I am not a makeup artist or anything, but yeah, I
just did my eyebrows and my eyelashes for fun, cause I don't have anything to do.
But anyways, thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you.